What's up guys, welcome to Tommy unboxing review. Today I will show you the Dinogy's new batteries. Now this is a Graphene 2.0. Here you can see this is a 5000 milliamp hours AC batteries. Now let's weigh it first. Here you can see this batteries is 589.1 grams. It's so heavy for only 5000 milliamp hours 4S batteries. And he used the 8 EWG wires. Now let's test the IR of the batteries. Here you can see 4.2 milliohms. It's small. I think it's small for the 4S batteries. And by the way, I have a GH power batteries, and it only sells in China 5200 milliampere hours and 75C. But you can see these two batteries all the same long, same wide, and in height all the same. So I think these two batteries must use the same cell model, and even the weight are the same. (582.2 grams), 589 grams. Little heavier, only a little heavier, slight heavier. And even you can see the GH Power's batteries IR. (4.6968 milliohms), a little bit bigger than this. I think maybe my EC8 plugs. By the way, my teammate used the GH Power's 100C batteries and he breaks the world record. So I think these two batteries must have the same performance. I will test it using my power analyzer and maybe make a speed run with my ARMA limits in the next time. Now thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye.